Hi there, I'm Divya from GrammarGuruPeedom.com. This channel helps you improve your English grammar skills from beginner to advanced level. In this video, you will learn how to describe persons or things clearly, and this will help you sound more like an advanced English speaker. You will also see improvement in your writing for sure. Look at this mom and son. Let's listen to what they say to each other.
Mom, the boy is my friend.
Which boy?
The boy who won the race.
Oh dear, now I understood.
Let's see why the mother was confused at first and how she later understood what her son meant. The boy is my friend. This sentence does not clearly say which boy. That's why the mother got confused. But look at this sentence. The boy who won the race is my friend. Now the sentence clearly explains which boy the son is talking about, so the mother understands. If we observe the sentence closely, it's this part, who won the race, that helps describe the boy and lets the mother identify him. This part of the sentence has a subject, who, and a verb, won, so it's a clause. It also describes the noun the boy, which means it functions like an adjective, and that's why it's called an adjective clause. Watching the adjective playlist and the simple clauses and compound clauses videos from Grammar Guru Peedom will help you understand this even better. So, what's an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb and acts like an adjective describing a noun or pronoun in the sentence. Let's look at a few examples. The movie which we watched last night was fantastic. The adjective clause is which we watched last night, and it modifies the noun the movie. She has a friend who speaks 5 languages fluently. The adjective clause is who speaks 5 languages fluently, and it modifies the noun a friend. This is the place where they first met. The adjective clause is where they first met, and it modifies the noun the place. What are the key points of an adjective clause? It begins with relative pronouns like who, whom, whose, that, which. It can sometimes start with relative adverbs like when, where, why. It usually answers the questions which one or what kind. What are the key features of adjective clauses? They always follow the nouns they describe. They can be restrictive, essential information, or non-restrictive, extra information. Examples: the book that you gave me is excellent. This is restrictive, there is no comma, and this clause is necessary to understand which book. My uncle who lives in Delhi is a doctor. This is non-restrictive, there is a comma, and the clause adds extra information. This can be confusing, but don't worry. We'll cover restrictive and non-restrictive clauses in detail in our next video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and hit the bell icon with the option All to get the notification as soon as it's released. Now let's look into how and where we use relative pronouns in adjective clauses. Who describes people? Example, The girl who sings well is my friend. Whom also describes people, but when the noun is in the object position. The man whom you called is here. Whose shows position. Example, the boy whose bike was stolen is sad. That can be used for people or things. Example, the bag that you bought is costly. Which is used for things. The dress which she wore was pretty. What about relative adverbs? Though less common than relative pronouns, relative adverbs can also introduce adjective clauses. Where for places. Example, this is the house where I was born. Where I was born modifies the house. When for time. Example, do you remember the day when we met? When we met modifies the day. Why for reason. It's rarely used. Example, I don't know the reason why she left. Why she left modifies the reason. How to identify adjective clauses. Look for a clause beginning with a relative pronoun or relative adverb. Check which noun it describes. See if it answers which one or what kind. Let's see a few examples. I saw a dog that was barking loudly. That is the relative pronoun. Dog is the noun being described. That was barking loudly is the adjective clause answering which dog. Quick recap. Adjective clauses describe nouns. They start with a relative pronoun or relative adverb. They can be restrictive or non-restrictive. We'll cover this in detail in the next video. They make sentences clearer and richer. Practice time. Identify the adjective clauses in each sentence. The girl who won the singing contest is my cousin. Who won the singing contest is the adjective clause. I remember the day when we went to the beach together. When we went to the beach. The cake that you baked yesterday was delicious. That you baked yesterday. He couldn't find the book which he had borrowed from me. Which he had borrowed from me. This is the park where we used to play as kids. Where we used to play as kids. Did you get all correct? Comment below. How many did you make correct? We'd love to hear from you. Knowing about adjectives and relative pronouns will help you understand this video better. Watch our adjective playlist and parts of speech playlist. The links are in the description box. Would you like to get practical tips to speak English fluently and boldly? Watch our video from Grammar Guru Peedom Plus, our sister channel that helps ESL learners improve their speaking and writing skills. You'll get plenty of free English learning resources from us. Visit our website www.grammargurupeedom.com, click on GGP Online Bookstore and hit the freebies button. Also, follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram for more daily tips. Please like and share this video and leave your comments below. You are really helping the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon with all selected. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon in another useful English learning video. Until then, take care and bye for now.